Hello everyone, welcome to this Power BI project where I have worked on a real-world real estate dataset from Madrid. This dataset includes detailed information like home ID, title, subtitle, square meter built, square meter useful in rooms, number of bathrooms, number of floors, square meter allotment, is exact the address, hidden or not, street number, floor. Like this there are many columns. Person, neighborhood, ID, rent price, is rent price known or not, buy price by area, and after that there are the type ID, is renewal needed or not, is new development built here, has central heating, has individual heating, has AC or not, has fitted wardrobes or not. This is the accessories. Okay, has lift or not, is exterior or not, has garden, has pool. There is yes or no. Okay, so has terrace or not, has balcony or not, like many columns are there, and there are the row number is 21,742, and it's guys after cleaning. Okay, after cleaning it's the row number. Okay guys, so let's start the analysis, and if you are new to channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you find it helpful or easy to understand. Let's take a quick look at the data. This dataset contains a lot of amenities and property features like pool, AC, garden, parking and more. Before jumping into visuals, I did some data cleaning. There are quite a few null values and duplicate entries, so I removed the duplicate and filled some nulls with values like false. So like this. So I feel here some null values were present before, so I filled with false. And in some places I filled with no, or I replaced the true with yes, like for has pool or has garden. And remember, this is a practice dataset, so I made cleaning decision based on what made sense to me. But if you are working in a real organization, you should always discuss with your team or manager before deleting or modifying any data. Alright, now that our data is clean, let's move and create some amazing charts in Power BI. So we just need to close and apply. So before starting analysis, I created a text box and I formatted it. And after that, for the first chart, I wanted to analyze how different features like having pool affect the average property price. So I created a pie chart, and in the value section, I dragged the buy price and changed the aggregation to average, and in the legend I added the has pool column. And as you can see, the chart clearly shows the difference in average prices between properties with a pool and without one. This gives us a quick visual understanding of how much having a pool can impact property value. For the second chart, I followed a similar approach, this time to understand the effect of having a garden on property prices. I dragged buy price into values. Then in the legend I added the has garden column. Now from this chart we can easily compare the average prices of properties with and without gardens. This helps us see whether having a garden adds significant value when it comes to real estate pricing. For the third pie chart, I wanted to analyze how newly developed properties compare in terms of price. So again I used buy price in the value, and in legend I dragged each new development. This visualization helps us see whether newly developed properties are priced higher or lower compared to older ones, giving us valuable insights into how development status affects the market value. In the fourth chart, I want to know the property market into categories based on the house type ID, and for each category calculate the average square meter price and identify the top 5 most lucrative investment properties based on square meter built and loan interest rate. Okay, so I created two columns guys. Okay, so one is price per square meter, so this is the formula for that, and there is nothing to understand. It's the normal like buy price divided by square meter built, and we receive the price per square meter. And risk score formula is this: house made it like square meter built by buy price. Okay, it's the risk score. So I created two columns, and after that I created this measure also, like average price per square meter. So it is the formula like average x. After that, I take the values from house type ID and calculate the average of price per square meter. Okay, for the total. So I created the measure. So after that, I created a clustered column chart, and in x axis I dragged house type ID because I want based on the house type ID. Okay, so after that in y axis I drag the average price per square, and after that I formatted it, so it's looking beautiful, but you can format it according to you. And after that I just want to show it by pool or by development, by parking and exterior. So for this we can add slicers, and according to our requirement we can change and show the data. So let's check. Like you can check for pool, yes, it's the data, and for development false, it's the data. For development true, it is the data. For select all, and for parking it's the data, and for exterior the data is here, like here the exterior are not available, and true means exterior available. Okay, false is for no, not available, and true for available. Okay, so it's the data guys, you can show it according to you. So let's select all because we need all the things. Okay, so it's the data guys, and from here we can analyze all the requirement. This was a short video, but even from just these few charts you can begin to analyze key insights from the data. These are many more columns available, so depending on your requirements you can create variety of charts to explore the data further. It's a great real estate project to practice and showcase your Power BI skills, especially if you take the time to analyze it in a deeper and smarter way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. So let's meet in the next video guys.